Hi everybody, I'm back at the bench again. Usually in March I was checking my list of group builds, and usually in March there's a Bandai group build, but I've heard nothing about it this year. And so I've got this one kit left I bought last year, Bandai Knight Gundam, and looks like a knight in shining armor type of thing. So it's super deformed, so it's a smaller scale. I'm going to build this anyway. I don't know if the group builds, I guess it's not going on this year, but I'm going to go ahead, get this done. It shouldn't take too long, more than a day or two, and then I'll get on to something else. I do want to reduce my stash, and knowing this would be a quick build and it'd be a fun build and a bit of a change of pace. So this one's next, so stay tuned for further updates. So there's 3 sprues of main pieces included in the kit, molded in color. Again, it's interesting that they can mold different colors on the same sprues. It's silver and red and yellow. Got blue on here, more silver. Got these poly connectors here for the joints. You got 4 sets of eyes. Got 1 chrome piece for his mouth guard, I guess their face shield. And I was thinking since it's molded in sort of it's not really a shiny, it's like a silver, but I was thinking I should paint these with some Craft Smart silver metallic paint. Give them a little more shine before I start putting it together. So I think I'll wash them up and start with that. Well, I've almost completed this Knight Gundam. Pretty much done. I just have the 1 chrome piece here for his face shield to attach. I've got everything painted and put on. After I was done here, there was quite a few parts left over. I wasn't quite sure what they were. Taking a look back at the instructions here again, it looks like you can convert him into a Centaur, I guess, like a horse type figure. And there's these extra parts I put together here, and it gives him 4 hooves, legs, and the back end with the tail. That can be remove his legs here and add that on the back, and shown here in the instructions under the, or it can be attached as sort of a backpack style on his back under the cape for carrying. But also you can put the hook on there to put the lance on his back as well, or one or the other. So just finish up these extra parts and it'll be done. So here he is with his chrome face shield on. This is the attachments for the Centaur, the horse parts. It's a little more difficult to put it on. You have to take the cape off, which requires taking the head off, and attach this into his back, and then replace his head, and you probably put the cape over top of that. I think I'll just display it like this. He's got his lance and his shield, and I'm going to replace the lance. There's a clip that holds that on his back, and put the sword in his hand. So it's pretty much done. I am glad I airbrushed the silver paint over the silver parts. Although they were molded in silver, they had sort of swirls and things on the plastic, so I'm glad I did that. I did the lance, of course, in gunmetal, just to have a bit of a contrast, and the handle on the sword. I just left the handles bare plastic. I did gunmetal on the side parts here. There's 1 piece of clear red that went in the handle of the sword there. Just popped in, and again I sprayed the blade with the silver, and everything sealed with Future. So it's a great looking little kit. It's a lot of parts. It only took an afternoon to put together, another couple of hours to paint and seal. So it's a great kit, a lot of parts, a lot of extra parts I was surprised to see. But it's going to look great on the shelf, and that's it for now. So stay tuned and see what's up next.